All risk is location-specific. The more accurate the information, the more accurate the assessment of risk. Imagine if you could dramatically improve the measurement of risk and generate pricing more accurately than was ever possible before in a high-volume transaction processing environment with real-time response. Today, most insurers use postcodes to assess risk. But postcodes can be inaccurate and sometimes completely misleading. A property at the bottom of a hill might have the same postcode as a property at the top of a hill, but have a higher risk of flooding. So, you could be underpricing a high-risk policy, or overpricing, or even rejecting a low-risk opportunity. Well, with precise location measurement and spatial analysis, you could substantially improve the measurement of risk and price accordingly, making you more competitive and more profitable. Let's take a property that on the face of it looks like a good risk. But what if it's within close proximity to a high intrinsic risk, say a factory working with flammable materials? With the Esri UK insurance platform, the locator hub identifies the exact position and grid reference of the property. The system then models and maps any associated risks related to the location, using factors contained in the perils hub. And, because it is fully integrated with your back office systems, prices are generated automatically, in real time. Take a shopping centre with hundreds of businesses and several postcodes. You can now identify the precise location of every property, and, because you understand the risks associated with each individual property, you can decide to deal only with those properties that are right for you, up to the agreed exposure level for the area. And because you have a more accurate understanding of risk, you can take on more policies. So, because you know the risk and you're pricing more accurately, you're able to take on consistently more profitable business, which means you're using your capital more effectively, and with better information, you can optimize your reinsurance strategy. The system will also help you spot fraudulent claims quickly and easily, reducing fraud and inspection costs. So, when the worst does happen, you'll be able to make a real-time assessment of the likely impact, something that normally takes weeks, delivered in minutes. By understanding risk more accurately, you'll be able to increase volumes and revenues and reduce your costs, making you even more profitable. The platform will also integrate with your existing back-office systems and business processes. A complete solution. It'll help you meet your corporate compliance and Solvency II requirements, and in the longer term, it'll help you model and price environmental risks. In practice, it has generated a return on investment of between 500 to 1,000% in an industry more accustomed to much smaller gradual change. So, get in touch before the competition does. ESRI, the world's largest and most advanced supplier of geographic information systems.